Sarah hated Mondays. She stared at her flickering laptop screen. Another email, another demand. Her 9-to-5 job felt like a cage. She dreamed of freedom, real freedom. Not just 2 weeks of vacation a year. She bought every course, tried every system, drop shipping, crypto day trading, filling out endless surveys. They all promised passive income, but they demanded her time, more time than her demanding job. She was always on, always hustling, always exhausted. Her bank account barely moved. Her dreams felt like a distant fantasy, an impossible mirage. She spent her evenings scrolling, watching others live her dream. Frustration mounted. She knew there had to be another way. A way to escape the rat race, a way to build true financial independence. But she was stuck, trapped in the illusion of quick money, trading hours for dollars, always chasing, never catching. This was Sarah 6 months ago, broke, burned out, desperate for a change. Now, her life is unrecognizable. She wakes up without an alarm. Income flows into her accounts while she sips coffee, while she travels, while she sleeps. No experience needed, no fancy degree, just a shift in strategy, a change in perspective. Stay until the very end. You will see her exact transformation, the blueprint she used, and how you can start building your own passive income streams. Today, no more chasing. Start building. Why was Sarah failing? Why are you failing? It is not about effort. You work hard. You try new things. The problem is simple. You are confusing active income for passive income. Many opportunities disguise themselves. They promise set it and forget it, but demand constant attention, constant engagement. They are just another job, often with worse pay. You are still trading your precious time for money. This is the root cause, not a symptom. True passive income is different. It is about building assets that generate cash flow with minimal ongoing effort. Think about it. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. Most people spend their lives buying liabilities, thinking they are assets. Robert Kiyosaki illustrates this perfectly. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he teaches us, the rich buy assets. The poor and middle class buy liabilities. They think their house is an asset, but it takes money for maintenance, for taxes, for interest. It is a liability until it generates income. Your 9-to-5 job is active income. Trading your hours for a wage. Even gig work is active. You must show up. Passive income means your money works for you. Your systems work for you. You build something once. It pays you repeatedly, without your direct involvement. This is the pivot, the core diagnosis. Stop chasing quick wins. Start building lasting assets. This shift is not new. It is a fundamental principle of wealth. World-class thinkers echo this, across generations, across industries. Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." This is the ultimate truth of passive income. Your time is finite. Your energy is limited. Your money, however, can work tirelessly. It is about converting your active labor into automated income streams. Jeff Bezos, Amazon founder, understood systems. He built a global platform. He said, "I could tell you that one thing has always been true. People are always going to want selection and low prices." He designed a system, a vast, self-sustaining engine. It generates profits for him, while he focuses on innovation. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, adds another layer. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Passive income is not about magic. It is about carefully constructing reliable systems. Systems that deliver consistent results without your constant manual input. An ancient proverb reminds us, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Do not overthink it. Start planting your passive income seeds today. Begin with what you have, where you are. The journey of financial freedom starts with a single step. Now for the actionable blueprint. 7 passive income ideas. No experience needed. Start building, not chasing. 1. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit CDs. What it is. The simplest form of passive income. You lend your money to a bank. They pay you interest, much higher interest than traditional savings accounts. CDs lock your money for a fixed term, offering even higher rates. Why it's passive. You deposit money. It earns interest automatically. No work required. Your money works for you, while you sleep, while you live your life. How to start. Step 1. Research online banks. Look for HYSAs or CDs with the highest annual percentage yield. Why? Compare minimums and terms. Ensure FDIC insurance for safety. Step 2. Open an account. Transfer funds from your checking account. Set up recurring transfers for consistency. Your action: deposit funds. Then do nothing. Watch your money grow. It's the ultimate set it and forget it for absolute beginners. Minimal risk, immediate liquidity with HYSAs. 2. Dividend stocks and ETFs. What it is: investing in shares of companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. These payouts are called dividends. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, allow you to invest in a basket of many such companies. Spreading risk. Why it's passive. Once you buy the shares or ETF, you receive dividend payments, typically quarterly, without lifting a finger. You own a piece of a profitable business. It pays you for ownership. How to start. Step 1. Open a brokerage account with a reputable firm like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Step 2. Research dividend-paying stocks or dividend ETFs. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend growth, or ETFs focused on high dividend yield. Step 3. Invest your money. Set up dividend reinvestment, DRIP. Your dividends automatically buy more shares, compounding your returns. The initial research is active, the income is passive. 3. Affiliate marketing with simple content. What it is: promoting other companies' products or services. You earn a commission when someone buys through your unique link. Think Amazon Associates, or promoting software you love. Why it's passive. You create content once: a blog post, a YouTube review, a social media post. That content lives online indefinitely. It attracts visitors, converts sales, while you're doing other things. How to start. Step 1. Choose a niche you genuinely care about, or products you already use and love. Authenticity builds trust. Step 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a popular starting point, or check individual companies' websites for their programs. Step 3. Create simple, helpful content. Write a product review. Make a short how-to video. Share your honest experience. Include your affiliate links. Optimize for search engines. This content becomes a digital asset, working for you 24/7. 4. Creating digital products, ebooks, templates, mini courses. What it is: creating a digital item once, an ebook, a printable planner, a Notion template, a short video course, then selling it repeatedly. Why it's passive. You invest time up front to create the product. Once it is made, listed, and promoted, sales can happen automatically. It's truly a create once, sell forever model. No inventory, no shipping. How to start. Step 1. Identify a simple problem you can solve, or a small skill you can teach. For example, 5-step guide to basic photo editing, or beginner's budget spreadsheet. Step 2. Create your product. Use free tools like Canva for ebooks, templates, or record simple screen share videos for a course. Keep it concise and valuable. Step 3. List your product on platforms: Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or even your own simple website. Promote it initially, then let the platform and organic search drive sales. 5. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, or fractional real estate. What it is: REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. You buy shares in these companies, like stocks. Fractional real estate platforms allow you to invest small amounts into specific properties. Why it's passive. You get exposure to real estate without buying a physical property. No tenants, no toilets, no leaky roofs. REITs pay high dividends, as they are legally required to distribute most of their taxable income to shareholders. How to start. Step 1. Open a brokerage account if you haven't already. Step 2. Research REIT ETFs or individual REITs. Focus on diversified portfolios or sectors you understand. Or explore platforms like Fundrise or Arrived for fractional investing. Step 3. Invest your desired amount. Your investment grows, you receive dividend income, all without the responsibilities of a landlord. 6. P2P lending, peer-to-peer lending. What it is: lending money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. You earn interest on the loans, bypassing traditional banks. Why it's passive. Once you fund loans and set up auto-investing criteria, the platform manages the loan servicing, collecting payments, distributing interest. You just receive your returns. How to start. Step 1. Sign up for a reputable P2P lending platform. Prosper or Lending Club are well-known examples. Understand their fees and risk disclosures. Step 2. Diversify your investments. Do not put all your money into one loan. Spread small amounts across many loans. To mitigate risk, auto-invest features help with this. Step 3. Monitor your portfolio periodically, but otherwise your capital is generating interest. Note, this carries higher risk than HYSAs or diversified ETFs. Understand the risks. Evergreen niche YouTube channels, monetized content. What it is, creating specific helpful videos on a niche topic, content that remains relevant over time. How-to guides, tutorials, explanations of complex concepts. Once monetized, you earn ad revenue. Why it's passive. You make the video once. It lives on YouTube forever, generating views and ad revenue long after you've uploaded it. Your content becomes a magnet for passive income. How to start. Step 1. Choose an evergreen niche. Something people will always search for, e.g., how to change a tire, basic Excel formulas, beginner meditation techniques. Step 2. Create 10 to 20 high-quality helpful videos. Use simple equipment, your smartphone camera, a basic microphone. Focus on providing real value. Step 3. Optimize your videos for search. Good titles, descriptions, tags, promote on social media initially. Once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, subscribers, watch time, ads will run. Your content becomes a continuous income stream. 6 months later, Sarah sips her coffee, not rushing to a demanding job. Her income streams are flowing. Her HYSA earns interest. Her dividends are reinvested. Her digital products sell. Her affiliate links convert. Her YouTube videos get thousands of views, all while she lives her life. She built her freedom. Piece by piece, system by system. She started small, experimented, learned. She didn't chase. She built. She became an investor, a creator, not just a consumer. Her passive income now covers her monthly expenses. She travels when she wants, spends time with family, pursues her true passions. This is not a dream. It is a reality, born from strategic action. This is your mic drop moment. Stop being the player. Become the game designer. Stop trading your life's precious hours for money. Start building assets that generate money for you. Shift your mindset from consumer to creator, from employee to investor. This is not about getting rich quick. It is about building sustainable freedom. Slowly, intentionally. The journey begins now with your first step. Choose one idea. Start building.